All the bananas call for one thing. Let's make banana bread, mate. When they're dark brown, it means they're at their sweetest point. Right? Potato masher, and just get stuck in. Not actually really following a recipe, right? But it's not that hard. Pinch of salty flavours in there. Dash of baking powder. I'm gonna go for about 150 grams or so of sugar. Softened butter. Right. Bang on. That was 140 grams. Sick. Thing is, right, I could make this healthier, but it will fucking ruin it. With getting your health right and your fitness right, looking at your habits. Are you moving a lot? Are you walking a lot? Are you training? Are you drinking a lot of water? Are you sleeping a lot? Then are your meals full of protein, full of veg, full of good fats and energy? If so, then you can fucking eat it like this. About 150 grams of there. What filth, mate. Might go chocolate with it. Alright, let's bang some cocoa powder in. Fuck it. I fully just want to eat all of this right now. Fucking rude, mate. Obviously we're in need of some more calories, right? Let's use up the Christmas chocolate, shall we? A nice little chop on this. Bang that right in. Loaf tin that isn't a tin, so look, I definitely should have beaten the eggs, butter and sugar together. That is how you're meant to bake, I'm pretty sure. But fuck it. Right, I'm gonna go in the oven 160 degrees for like 50 minutes or so, right? While I'm cleaning up, obviously it'd be rude not to follow me, alright? Let's hit a milli. And we're out, yeah. Class. So you're meant to leave this sort of to cool for a bit, but Kate is obsessed with having it like hot with yogurt, so that is bad boy. Bit of yogurt on there, couple of blueberries, and we're done. Chocolate banana bread. Yes.